Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fine. In my previous class, I dealt with non-finite verbs and today I am going to deal with adjectives. What are the adjectives? That means a word that describes a noun or pronoun or add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun is called adjective. That means it modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Adjectives can be placed before uh, uh, before noun or pronoun or after noun or pronoun. So it has got two uses. It is used in two ways, that is attributively, that is before placed, when it is placed before noun it becomes attributive, and when it is placed after noun it is called predicatively. That means adjectives can be used in two ways, that is attributively and predicatively. Now, different types of adjectives, if we go through that and coinciding with the modern grammarians, convinced by the modern grammarians, in order to simplify adjectives, I have categorized it into these parts: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, articles, demonstrative adjective, coordinate adjective, interrogative adjective, indefinite adjective, and possessive adjective. Thus, there are 9 classes of adjectives according to the modern grammarian. The same adjective has been divided into 6 classes according to old grammarians, that is adjective of quality 1, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, then article is omitted there, as these articles are included in determiner chapter. It has been included, omitted from here. Then demonstrative adjective, fourth, fifth one is interrogative adjective, and sixth one is possessive adjective. In this way, the old grammarians they classified. But as I told you, in order to simplify it, I am just classifying it into 9 classes. Then what is adjective of quality or attributive adjective? That means adjectives which are placed before a noun, they are called attributive adjectives, and these adjectives of quality or attributive adjectives, they show or talk about specific traits, qualities, features, or used to discuss attributes. That means it answers the question what type. It answers the question what type. So, an adjective which is used to specify traits, qualities, or features, that is called adjective of quality. Then adjective of quantity, a word that expresses quantity of its noun or pronoun is called adjective of quantity. That means it answers how much the thing is. So from this question how much, it is indicated that we can guess that these adjectives of quantity are expressing uncountable nouns. How much? Some, a little, no, great, all, enough, whole, much, half. So these are adjectives of quantity. Next one is adjectives of number. These adjectives show number or order of noun or pronoun, and they answer how many. For example, all, two, a few, no, some, many, several, last, sixth, etc. Then comes articles. As we all know, there are two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite article is the which expresses the specific noun or pronoun, and indefinite article is a and an, non-specific. It expresses non-specific nouns. Then comes demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are the adjectives used to indicate or specify or point out or demonstrate noun or pronouns, and they answer which one. Which one is your books? This is my book. Which one are your books? These are my books. So example, this, that, these, those, it, all these are demonstrative adjectives. Then comes coordinate adjectives. These adjectives work as the separator. They separate with commas or the words and appear one after another to modify the same noun. It modifies one noun, but with the help of comma or and is used to make it more descriptive. For example, bright, comma, sunny day. We may say here also bright and sunny day. Similarly, long and dark night. These are coordinate adjectives. Next comes interrogatives. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives, as the term indicate, interrogative, it asks questions. That means these are used before noun and they ask question about that particular noun. For example, which, what, and whose. It also modify or specify nouns. Which book is yours? Or which tables, which seat is yours? In this way, interrogative adjectives. So, main interrogative adjectives are which, what, and whose. Then indefinite adjectives, as the term indicate, like articles a and an, it is also used to discuss non-specific nouns. For example, any, many, no, several, few. And the last adjective is possessive adjective. That means, as the term indicates, express possessive. Possessive means to show belongingness. So these adjectives, they express possession placed before the noun, like my, your, his, her, it, are, their. These possessive adjectives, I had differentiated between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns in my previous class while teaching pronouns. So these are different parts of adjectives, the classes of adjectives. There are 9 classes of adjectives. And now, describing adjective of quality. These adjectives of quality are again divided into 7 classes according to their function. Number 1 is observation adjective. It indicates the value or subjective measures. For example, real, best, perfect, cheapest, interesting, beautiful, etc. Then comes shape and size adjective. This shape and size adjective, they describe or show measurable objective quality. Measurable adjective quality, including physical properties. For example, small, large, square, round, poor, wealthy, slow, fast, etc. Then comes age adjective or adjectives of age. These adjectives, they express specific age in numbers as well as general age. For example, old, young, new, 5-year-old, etc. Next is color adjectives. As the term express, these adjectives, they express color, pink, yellow, blue, green, etc. Then origin adjective or adjective of origin. These adjectives, they indicate the source of the nouns, whether it is person, place, animal or things. American. People from America are called American. People from India are called Indian. Canadian, French, Mexican, etc. Then material adjective denote what something is made of. These adjectives, they denote what something is made of, from which matter the thing has been made. Suppose wooden table. This means this table is made of wood. Similarly, cotton, wool, gold, etc. All these are material adjective. Then qualifier. The last one is qualifier, and these adjectives, they are regarded as part of a noun. That means they make nouns more specific. For example, when I say pillow cover, pillow is noun, cover is noun. So this is noun and it works like an adjective. Pillow cover, log cabin, luxury car. So these are all adjective. Regarding the formation of adjective and some more parts which have been included, I shall be discussing tomorrow. Thank you.